Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of some more iPhone accessories. In particular, what I have here for everyone today is my unboxing and first impressions of the Jasbon cases for your iOS devices. Now, I just want to take a second to send a big shout out and a big thank you to Jasbon for sending their products out for me to review and give you guys and gals my 100% unbiased and honest opinions on their products. Alright, now this one's gonna be a little bit different, y'all, because these cases right here are actually for the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 8 Plus. Okay, so story time. So the company Jasbon, one of their reps reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to take a look at some of their products. And I was like, sure. And then they was like, well, send me a list of devices that you have. So I'm like, cool. So I sent them a list of all the devices that I have, and then the rep emailed me back and they was like, well, unfortunately, all the cases for your devices are out of stock. And I'm like, well, Then I was looking through their list of products and I was like, wait, y'all have iPhone 7 Plus cases? And she was like, yes, because the rep that I correspond with is a lady, a very nice lady. And she was like, yes. And I'm like, well, the 6 Plus, the 6S Plus, the 7 Plus, and the 8 Plus all basically have the same dimensions. Give or take a few different design changes. So I was like, you know what? Those cases should work. So we corresponded a little bit more and we got everything sorted out, and these cases just arrived today. So without further ado, let's get into my unboxing and first impressions of the Jasbon cases for your iPhone 7 Plus and your iPhone 8 Plus. Alright, let's go. Now, starting off, let's talk about the packaging. Now, I gotta say, this packaging is actually pretty good. So up front here, we just have a company logo. Then just below it, we got the company logo again and their website. Okay. Then we got a nice picture of the case inside the package. Along the side is clean. And then across the back here, we have a few specifications. Alright, so you can see Jasbon is committed to being a global brand. They want to be a global brand, and they're offering 12-month warranty on their cases. They're also using environmental silicone materials, so this should be safe for the environment. Always nice to see that. And then they have an installation guide right here. Get a close-up on that. Feel free to pause and read for yourself, as always. And then right down here, we got some barcode information. We got some company contact information. And we got a few barcode scan codes if you want to go directly to their site or you want to follow them on Twitter right there. Okay? Other than that, that's all that's on the packaging. So let's check out these cases. Alright, so they sent me out two colors. They sent me out yellow. Right there. Let's throw this box off to the side. And they also sent me out black. And again, the packaging is basically the same. Company logo and website. Flipping it over to the back, all the same information. Barcode scanners right there. Company contact information, all the same stuff. Really sweet. Alright, so let's take this out the package. Alright, throw this off to the side. Alright, so I'm going to actually try on both of these cases for you guys and gals. So then you can get a general idea of how well it fits on your device. Now keep in mind, this is for the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus, and I actually only have a 6S Plus. But technically, they should all still be compatible somewhat. We're going to find out in this video. Now, let's take a look. Let's start with the black. Okay? So taking it out the package here, let me get this off to the side here. We don't need that anymore. This actually looks pretty good. Now, as I always do in my unboxing and first impressions, I already cut all the tapes and plastics to make this unboxing as fast and as convenient as possible. Alright, so taking the case out the plastic here. Now, this is sweet. It looks like they went ahead and included a tempered glass screen protector. So we have the wet and dry wipes here. Really cool. Alright. Then we got a customer satisfaction card. Right here in multiple different languages, it looks like. Alright, yep. Good stuff there. Then we got a user manual. We're going to take a look at this in a second. Put that off to the side. And then we have the tempered glass. Alright, let's take a look at what style of tempered glass this is. Alright, so let's see. So, nice high quality tempered glass, clear tempered glass. Alright, I'm wondering if this is going to line up perfectly for my 6S Plus. I'm going to try that off camera and come back and let you guys know. But let's continue with this unboxing and first impressions. Alright, and here is the case itself. Now, first impressions, before I throw my device in the case, I have to say I really do like these materials. We got a nice suede material on the inside, which means my device is going to be very nicely protected and not pick up any scratches. We got some more company branding right there. Really good stuff there. Alright. Then you can see we have all of the appropriate cutouts. And once again, these cases were made for the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus, which do have dual cameras. So you can see we got a perfect cutout for the dual cameras there. Flipping it to the bottom, we got cutouts for our speaker grills and our lightning charging port. And that's one thing that's different from the 6S Plus to the 7 Plus and the 8. The 7 Plus and the 8 Plus actually dropped the headphone jack. Okay? Switching it over to the side, you can see we got full protection for our volume rockers. And we still have a precision cutout for our mute volume slider here. So good stuff there. And we have full protection for our power button as well. Alright. Now, let's throw the 6S Plus in the case and see how it looks. Check this out. Alright, so let's drop it in. Okay, bam! And it actually fits pretty much perfectly. Okay, now let's walk around the case real quick. So you can see all the cutouts line up. So speaker grill lines up, the lightning charging port lines up, and we do obstruct our headphone jack, but it's alright. We mostly use Bluetooth anyway. Swinging it over to the back here, you can see it does line up with our camera module and our flash, but it looks slightly off. Okay, but still pretty good. All of our buttons are fully protected. Let's check the clickability. So still super clicky. Let's check the volume rockers. Again, still super clicky. Let's check the cameras. Alright. Cameras work and it's not obstructed. So good stuff. Alright. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay. And we got a nice amount of razivity on this case as well. So really good stuff there. And it looks like everything's gonna work. Okay. Now let's take a look at the yellow case, and then we're gonna look at the user manual, and we'll wrap this video up. So I gotta say, this is that super yellow right here. And my camera is actually toning down the colors a little bit. This is actually yellow right here. Alright. Now, cracking open this packaging, you guys and gals can see we pretty much have the same stuff here. Alright, so let me take some of this stuff off to the side. Take this out of here. don't need to worry about that. So we got our screen protector materials, so our wet and our dry wipe right there. Okay, customer satisfaction card right there in multiple languages again. Okay, good stuff. Throw that off to the side. Our user manual, now I already have one of these out, so we could drop this off to the side. And our screen protector, pop that out. Yep, pretty much the same basic clear screen protector. And here is the yellow case. Again, got that company branding, looking good. All the necessary cutouts, speaker grill, lightning charging port, camera cutouts, fully protected volume buttons and alert slider cutout, fully protected power button. Alright, now let's slap this yellow on the device and see how it looks. Let's also check how easy it is to take the case off. Alright, so not bad. Not bad at all. So it just pops off. Alright, good stuff. Okay, let's throw on the yellow case now. Line that up. Pop that in. Alright. And again, as y'all can see, everything lines up. So power button, let's check the clickability. Still super clicky. Volume buttons, still super clicky. Everything works. This is how the camera is going to look. This is how the port cutouts are going to look. So everything looks pretty good here. Looks really good here. Alright? And honestly, I'm not mad at this. I might have to rock this yellow just because this is that yellow that when people see it, it's definitely a conversation starter. Alright. Now let's check out this user manual and then we'll wrap the video up. Okay. Alright, so let's see what this is all about. Okay, so this looks like a user manual to install the tempered glass screen protector. Let me get a nice close-up of this for y'all. Alright, feel free to pause and read this for yourselves. So everything included, and you got nice step-by-step instructions in multiple languages. Good stuff. Let's check the back. Alright, this is a different language. And that's a different language. Okay. Alright, I think that about does it. Okay, so that about does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Jasbon cases for your iOS devices. Now again, as y'all can see, this was made for the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus, but it does fit the 6 Plus and the 6S Plus just fine. And sure, it looks slightly off, but everything works. Alright, again, I'd like to send a big thank you out to Jasbon for making this video possible. As always, I really do appreciate it when companies take the time out to reach out to us smaller content creators and give us the opportunity to review their products and devices and give our full unbiased opinions. I really do appreciate that. Okay, my full review for this one should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video. So I'm going to rock this for those 2 weeks, and then I'm going to come back with my full review and an overall recommendation. Okay? This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the S7 Active. Okay? In 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all of the audio for this video was recorded using the Boya BY-MM01 shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please feel free to help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, Also, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these cases for yourself or your own iOS devices, all the links to where y'all can pick up these cases at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, I hope everyone has a good day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.
Perfect.